Welcome back to my channel ArtWindow. We all love reading books, and when there is a book, there is a bookmark. So why not try and make fun crafty DIY bookmarks? So without further more delay, let's begin. These bookmarks are easy to make with available materials. All you need is a white chart paper, a scale, glitter pens, black drawing ink, scissors, punch machine, watercolor cakes, few stickers and feathers. Take the chart paper and paste it using Fevicol, one on another. Fold it half and paste it. The size of bookmark paper is 2 inch by 6.5 inch. Now you need to just cut these. Our cutouts are ready. Now first I am gonna show you a cute balloon bookmark. Before starting with it, we need to first trim the edges. Let us start with the drawing. Do the outline using a black CD marker. Let's color these colorful balloons. For these balloons, I have used Camlin Bold sketch pen, almost ready. Let's give it some final touch up using the glitter. Now I am going to use the silver glitter. Use the Fevicol. Let us add some sparkle. Our beautiful bookmark is ready. It's ready. Keep it to dry for a while Let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes. Let us start with the second one now. Use the watercolor cakes. To give it a light wash. Let it dry. After it's completely dried, you can start with the book. Start with the ink work. Now let it dry. Let us start with the third bookmark. Take a feather and paste it on our sheet. Press it tightly. And let it to dry for a while. Paste the stickers now. Ready to be used in any books you love. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, goodbye.